We're back with another one. This is the Jayco RedHawk 24B, all new for 2025. Let's take a look at this thing. So starting out on the interior to it, it's got one big super slide the entire driver's side of the coach. And that you've got your U-shaped dinette here, your wardrobe and pantry, and then your bed there. Can you look at the front of the coach there? And then here's your kitchenette over here, decent sized countertop, two-piece stainless steel sink. Then you do have storage below, a ton of drawer space. And then 3-burner oven here, cooktop, and then oven below. And then huge microwave up top, convection microwave as well. Then you've got storage up top there. Then your 10 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator. Now let's get a view of the front. And then new in the 2025s, they've got this front windshield to it and your front cap there. It all is a one-piece seamless fiberglass front cap. Then you also have your overcab bunk, which is rated for up to 750 pounds. And then new in the 25, they put a swing out mount for the TV as a smart TV. And there is a sound bar down here too, so JBL sound bar. This is going to sit on the Ford E450. There's about 26 feet tip to tip on it. And you do have this new Sony infotainment center. Then this does pivot. You can push it back, lean it forward. This is going to display your Apple CarPlay or Android AutoPlay. Also your backup camera and your side view cameras there. And then coming towards the back, we'll check out this wardrobe space. So you pull this open. So you've got storage there, shelving there. Then more drawers below here. Then over here, got some pantry space. Then these do slide out. See, it's all 5-sided drawers in here. Then U-shaped dinette. There is 3 seat belts around here. And they do have the car seat tethers right here. Then storage up top in here. Then you've got your titanium guides. Coming towards the back, you've got your queen size bed with storage up top as well. And then there is outlets on both sides of the bed. For travel mode, you got to pick that up like that. So it's just the split mattress. But you do get some more storage right down here. Ton of storage in this motorhome. And once you push your slide out, just flip that down and you're good to go. You do have a ton of wardrobe space in the back over here. So you've got the big hanging bar in here. This entire thing is a wardrobe. And then there's your ladder for your overcab bunk. Then more drawers over here too. Then getting a look at the bathroom here. So you've got your foot flush toilet there, your bathroom vanity, then good sized shower. It's a pretty big shower basin here. Another hanging bar up top if you're trying to dry some clothes, and you've got the skylight. Then your sprayer faucet's got the matte black finish on it. Then a little medicine cabinet here. Window in the bathroom, and then vent fan up top. Giving you another pan through the coach here. Definitely one of the most popular floor plans that Jayco makes, the RedHawk 24B. They also make this in the Jayco Melbourne on the Mercedes if you don't want the Ford. And then Jayco does back it with their 2-year warranty. So you're covered for 2 full camping seasons, which is industry leading. Now let's check out the outside. I can also show you right here, you've got some more of your connections. That red switch there, it's going to be your main power disconnect. This is going to be your leveling system right here. Outlets. There's for your solar. There's a 200 watt solar panel up on this as well. Carbon monoxide detector, awning, and then just for your exterior lights and power step. So I had mentioned earlier the one-piece fiberglass front cap If you look at this unit, there's no seams up here like you'd see on some other manufacturers. Less place for water to intrude into. And then coming around the side, you do have your side view cameras on both sides there. Tinted frameless windows. And then this is going to be your propane right here. You do also have JBL speakers on your exterior, so good name brand. That's storage right there. This will be another storage bay here. So you got storage there, and also another storage right here. You do have low point drains in this one too. Coming around the back, got your backup camera mounted up top. Then you do have your roof ladder. And then on your back, you are set up for towing. So this will tow 7,500 pounds. Then you do already have the 7-blade switch there, or plug I should say. And then that's your one big super slide right there. It's already got the slide topper right on it. Water connection here, black tank flush here, outside shower, and then your gasoline fill. Looking below, that's going to be your sewer offshoot right there. Then you got another storage right here as well. So this is going to be your biggest exterior storage, this one right here. Could probably fit a couple chairs, maybe an umbrella in there. Then coming around the side, that's just going to be your power cord right down in that one. And then you do have the 4,000 watt generator on here too. And it's a gasoline generator, it'll draw right off your gas tank. And then there's just going to be another little storage right here. So, decent size. So it was a good quick walkthrough on the 2025 Jayco RedHawk 24B. Went over some of the new features for the 2025. Once again, it's Alex over here at Stop on Yellow RVing. I've got more videos coming. Like, subscribe, comment, and check out another one. Thank you.